Hello to you as well. Today I want to show you how to get three distinct sounds and beautiful colors from one shape that you probably know. When blues artists like B.B. King, Albert King, John Mayer play the blues, they actually shift between those minor shapes and the major shapes to create more tension. This is super cool. So you all know this pentatonic shape. This is a good old A minor pentatonic box. Now, if I have an A chord or an A sound and I'm just playing that, I'm getting the minor pentatonic. But what's super cool about it, if I'm moving this shape down 3 frets, I'm actually able to get the major pentatonic from the same box. Now check it out. This is my box here. I'm just moving it down, but instead of starting from the note F sharp, I can start here. So I'm still starting from A. And voila, you have the A major pentatonic. Now, let's just for a second, before I'm showing you one more scale, I want to make sure we hear and feel a difference. So this is the sound of the A minor. Right, it's kind of bluesy, some pain. A way to describe the difference is this is kind of like happy, if you will. A lot of positivity. And this has a lot of great energy, but way darker, right? Some pain is included in the package here. Now, when blues artists like B.B. King, Albert King, John Mayer play the blues, they actually shift between those minor shapes and the major shapes to create more tension. Now, there is one more color I want you to see and be aware of. And if I'm taking this A minor position of the pentatonic, I can add one note, one simple note that will give it a lot of character. And that is this one here. This note is what we call the sharp 4. Is what also we call the blue note. So listen to that. When I'm playing that scale, that's actually what we call the blues scale. So this is the third color that we can utilize over an A major or A7 chord. So when I have this sound of an A, I can play the major pentatonic, I can play the minor pentatonic, or I can play the blues scale. One of the ways to learn music faster and deeper is understanding the relationship to the center. So if I'm playing an A minor pentatonic, I want to tag each one of the notes as color. So this is my 1, this is my flat 3, my 4, my 5, and my flat 7. Let's listen to that really slowly. So this is my 1, this is my flat 3, my 4, my 5, my flat 7, and my 1. And I can hold the A, and play the scale. So I get this kind of sound and I try to feel each one of the notes. Can also do it a little slower. When I'm doing that, I'm trying to tag the information. So although I'm just playing the pentatonic position, I'm trying to be aware of what note I'm playing in relationship to that A. So I'm really thinking 1, flat 3, 4. La, la, A, C, D, C, A, La, Do, Re, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Sol, La. And that would work also without the instrument. For example, La, Do, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Sol, La, Do, Do, Re, Do, La. Right, just imagining the color of those notes in relationship to the center. Now, in the same way that I'm playing the minor pentatonic, we can look at the colors and notes of the major pentatonic. So let's check it out. So again, what we said is that we have this position of the A minor pentatonic. We just shift back, and I'm playing basically the position of the F sharp minor pentatonic. By taking out the note F sharp and including or starting basically on the note A, I'm getting this A major pentatonic. Now, I want to be aware that in the A major pentatonic, I have a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 1. So these are the colors that gives us the sound of the major pentatonic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 1. And I can play it in this position again. But of course, what's cool with guitar is once you start to get comfortable, you can see the notes and see the positions all across the instrument. So you can be more free once the notes are more clear. And lastly, I want to make sure we understand the blues scale. So we have 1 flat 3, 4, sharp 4, and 5. The sharp 4 is a chromatic note. The note chromatic means chroma, which is color. So it's a colorful note that kind of connects the 4 and the 5. There's a lot of tension in that flat 5 or sharp 4, and that's also one of the reasons it's being called the blue note. There are 3 kind of spots in the blues scale that we talk about that have and carry a lot of this tension. One of them is the flat 3, the second one is the flat 5 or the sharp 4, that D sharp, and the last one is a flat 7. Now, when we're working on the blues scale, we can do the same trick when we sing the root sound, the root note, and feel all the colors against it. I know sometimes it takes a second or a couple minutes or some time to figure this out and feel it, but I'll be honest, if you're going to work on guitar and music and you're serious about the instrument, I think this is a great use of your time, because in this way you actually internalize the colors and learn way more than just playing the positions again and again. I know a lot of people sometimes feel stuck with their playing, that they're feeling like they're stuck in the position and they can't get out of it. So being able to sing, being able to hear and understand the notes like we did today will really, really help. The way to really absorb the sound and the musicality from that is really, really feeling it and hearing it. So by understanding the note that you're playing, you're one step further in your musical exploration. So again, A, C, D, E, G, and A. And although that's simple, if you actually practice that and internalize it and listen to that, you will learn a lot of music by doing that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.